Your Tesla Model 3 alarm might be triggered by a few key issues: overly sensitive tilt intrusion sensors, Sentry mode malfunctions, or a failing 12-volt auxiliary battery. Minor disturbances like wind, animals, or vibrations can activate the tilt intrusion sensors, causing false alarms. Sentry mode, while useful, can sometimes misinterpret harmless events as threats. The 12 volts battery, crucial for powering the alarm system, can trigger alarms when it's low or failing due to manufacturing defects or excessive use of features like Sentry mode. All these issues lead to alarm activation, which in turn drains the battery. Start with simple fixes. Park your Tesla Model 3 on a level surface and exit the vehicle. Wait 2 to 3 minutes to allow the tilt sensor to recalibrate automatically. Ensure your Tesla software is up to date. Tesla releases over-the-air updates that improve sensor calibration and enhance Sentry mode's AI to reduce false alarms. If problems persist, check the 12-volt auxiliary battery's health. The voltage should be 12.6 volts or higher when fully charged. A low battery can cause alarm issues. For persistent issues, schedule a service appointment with Tesla. Technicians can diagnose sensor faults or replace a failing 12 volts battery. Future fixes include software-driven sensor tuning, robust lithium-ion 12-volt batteries, and AI integration with Tesla's full self-driving system for smarter alarms that learn from user feedback. Plus, community-driven diagnostics, potentially leading to industry-wide standards for sensor reliability.